Mundos. Hi, everybody. It's Mr. B. Today we are going to talk about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Mirror my actions. Ordinal numbers are when we say first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tell us where an object is in the order. Oh, that object is first, or it's third, or it's second, right? Hopefully you watched the first video I sent already, the one with the ducks. First, second, third, and fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. We're going to practice it a little bit, and I sent you a little sheet to practice too. And you can print that sheet out, or you can just open it up online and do it on the computer. Okay, so here we have a ducky duck, and a doggy, and a kitty cat, and a snake, and a butterfly. Let's see. Let's count them with ordinal numbers. You want to? First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And we're starting over here, aren't we? Sometimes we could start over here, but just for today, we're going to start over here. So if I was to ask you which one was first, would it be the ducky duck, the snake, or the kitty cat? Which one is first? Let's count them and see. First. Oh, it's the duck, isn't it? Duck, 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 da duck, duck, da duck, duck. Thank you, ducky. Let's go to the next one. So we've got the same animals here. We got a ducky, duck, duck, and a doggy, and a kitty cat, and a snake, and a butterfly. And the question is, if we start over here on this side, which is third in line? Let's see. Which one is third? Is the doggy third? Let's see. First, second. No, that doggy's second. Let's see. Which one is third? First, second, third. Oh, it's the kitty cat. Let's see. Let's count them all. You want to? First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Yep, so the doggy was second, wasn't it? And the kitty cat was third. The duck was first. I like ordinal numbers. I think they're fun. Okay. The question is, the cat is in the blank position from left to right. Is it in first, second, or third? That's a good question. Let's count it over. We're going to start on the left over here on the ducky. First, second, third, fourth. Oh, but I better make sure what the question is the cat. Where's the cat? I went to the snake, didn't I? That doesn't work. That doesn't work. Let's see. The cat is first, second, third. It's third, right? Like the number 3. So it's not first, it's not second, it would be third. We'd fill in this one right here, right? Yeah, let's do a couple more. Let's do some shapes. Let's see. Okay, good. So we are going from top to bottom. That means we're going to start at the top and go this way. And we're going to count them like this. Count them with me. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And the question is, the green triangle is in the what position? Where is it? What order is it? Where is it in the order? First, second, third, fourth, or fifth? Let's count down to it. First, second, third. Oh, it's third. It's not first. It's not second. It's third. Third. Click, click, click. Yeah, you click that one. If we were doing this on the big board, but we're not because the big board's broken. Okay. Is the square in the first position from top to bottom? Is the square first? We're going from top to bottom, and this up here's the top, isn't it? This is the bottom. We're starting here. We're going from the top to the bottom, aren't we? Yeah. So let's count them all. That way we know exactly where everything is. So first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And the question is the square in the first position? So first thing we got to do is figure out where the first position is. It's right here, isn't it? First. And then you got to ask yourself, is that a square? Is that a square? Well, it's either that one or that one, isn't it? That's a circle, isn't it? That's a circle. That's a triangle, but we may be having some trouble with these two. So I got to figure out if it's a square or not. Let's see. In a square, all of the sides are the same length. So all of these need to be the same length. So that one looks like they're all the same. Are these the same? Let's see. We got a little one, a big one, a little, and a big. No, we got two big ones here and two little sides here. That's a rectangle. That's not a perfect square, is it? We got two bigs and two little sides. This one, all the sides seem to be about the same, so that's a square. Square has all the sides that are the same length. So the answer would be yes. That is a square in the first position. Let's try one more. One more. What shape is in the second position from top to bottom? So there's a lot to digest here, isn't there? There's a lot to think about. It's a lot to think about. We got to know what our shapes. We got to know our shapes. We got to know our ordinal numbers because we're trying to find second position. And we need to know where the top and where the bottom is, right? So let's start with the end here. Let's start from top to bottom. So this is the top, isn't it? And this is the bottom. So we're starting from the top. We're going to start here. And we're going to go to the bottom. And these are some words that start with some poppers. T, t, b, b, b. T, 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 right? So if I know t, 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 top, b, 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 bottom. Anyways, we'll talk about that tomorrow. So we're at the top. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, okay? So we got that much going. Now we need to find what shape is in the second. So we need to find the second one. Let's start again. First, second. So it's this shape right here, isn't it? It's this red shape. And we need to know what shape that is, right? That's the shape of like, what other things are that shape? I don't know. I can look around and see some things that are that shape. Look, the top of this vitamin bottle is that shape, isn't it? Huh? Yeah. Got a lot of things. This little medicine, the bottom of it is that shape. That's a circle, isn't it? Huh? Round and around and around. So we need to know that. Now, they didn't ask us which one it was, did they? They didn't ask us to name it. They just have pictures of it. So if I had to answer this question, right, what shape is in the second position, first, second, then I would go over here to my answers. And I would say, is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yeah, that's it, isn't it? This one, let's see. Let's find out what ordinal position these other shapes are in. So it started off with the square, didn't it? Square, and we're going to go over here. That's the square right here. They match. And let's count them. First. The square's in first, isn't it? We know this is in second. We already answered that. Let's try the triangle, right? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Tri means 3. We'll talk about that later in the year. Yeah, it's a triangle. It's got 3 angles. Excuse me. Let's see what ordinal position the triangle's in. First, second, third. Oh, it's in third position, baby. All right. So that's ordinal numbers. Mirror my actions. Ordinal numbers are when we say first, second, third, fourth, fifth. We could even go 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10. It tells you what position something is in line, right? What order it's in. Yeah, that's what it tells you. And we'll talk a little bit more about that maybe on Friday. Okay, so expect a language art lesson from me tomorrow. Parents and students, I've got, because of the way my schedule is, I have to make a lot of videos every day to make sure I'm getting to all my students. So what I've decided to do is go every other day, language arts or reading, and then math. Starting with math just because, no reason. So I'll start with math today, and I'll try to space it out to where we get the same amount of lessons every day. I will be back in the school building, probably on Friday. So I will have the big board there, and these videos will hopefully look better. I miss you guys. Stay safe. Stay inside. Okay, this isn't about being home and going outside and playing. This is about staying safe and making sure we don't get sick, okay? So try to do your best to stay inside and stay safe, okay? All right. Bye-bye, everybody. I'll see you later.